Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very exciting video for you as we wrap up our spring RV tour with a surprising twist. We stumbled upon a town that claims to be the center of the universe, and to top it off, we got caught in an unexpected blizzard. Crazy, right? So let me set the scene for you. As we embarked on our final leg of our spring RV tour, we never expected to end up in such a unique situation, but hey, that's the beauty of traveling. You never know what's around the corner. Now let's talk about the challenges we faced navigating this town's quirky claims and dealing with this sudden blizzard. Trust me, it was not your typical day on the road. From figuring out the uniqueness of the town to braving the harsh weather conditions, we definitely had our hands full. But amidst all the chaos, we managed to explore the interesting sights of the claims to be the center of the universe. We also had to cope with the blizzard conditions, which added an extra layer of adventure to our journey. It was definitely a test of our RVing skills, that's for sure. Now let's get to the climax, the key moment that truly stood out during our visit or dealing with the blizzard. I won't spoil it for you, but let's just say it was a moment we will never forget. You'll have to watch to the end to find out what happened.
How am I supposed to walk across this shit with all this, honey? Did you think about that?
Having a well, y'all, that was Dead Man Falls. Wife took one in the knee. That invisible ninja tripped her up there, and now she's a bloody mess, but hope you enjoyed the show. Anything to add to that, hon? Nope. Yeah, month's worth of firewood there.
Like old foundations and stuff. This used to be the town site for that old mine.
That smells like a cottage. Looks like
interesting.
Yeah, there's one on the tree there, right under it, and another marker looking that way. Is that a yin-yang like that down in the picture? Yeah.
Traeger wood-fired grills. There's one more stone over here, and there you have it. We've been to the center of the universe, apparently. Center of somebody's universe, at least. I gotta think there's significant value in these stones, so somebody took it very serious. But wait, there's more.
This one's got gold right.
Right? I thought, yeah. Where's your dog? Beauty?
Definitely means something to somebody. There's a $5 bill in there.
Oreo over it too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, y'all, the wife bailed out on our little adventure, so you can see way up there is where I'm headed. I'll see how long it takes me. Been walking for 3 minutes at this point in time through the bull corral. Guess I wasn't interesting meat. So anyhow, up we go. Five minutes in. I was down there where that bull is, zigzagging my way on up. I don't know, I think I'm halfway, but might be exaggerating. So we'll bring you back in a couple more. At this point in time, I'm 8 minutes in, maybe 9, and that appears to be the remnants of a hiker. I really hope I don't find a corpse on this journey. Stay tuned for more. Was a couple of deer. Probably didn't get the camera turned on in time, but the trail appears to keep going on around that way. I wanted to go back over that way, so we're gonna head up here and see where that takes us. I'm perched here. I'm almost scared to move. Oh my. I'm not really scared of heights, but oh my. Anyhow, I'm gonna turn around and point to you where the bus is parked. It's way down there. That long white thing. I threw caution to the wind. I was just up there. I think I can zig-a-zag it down here. I think. They'll know I was here. I didn't find the remains of the hiker, but I did pick up the Gatorade. I won't drink it, but I couldn't leave it out here. You go down a lot quicker than you come up. I'm not gonna lie, more than a little nervous. More than a little nervous. I don't know why you gotta be like that. Well, that's it, y'all. One last shot of the Bonnet Ranch as we cruise our way out of here. Still snow up in them there hills. Forgot to mention it's a balmy +8 this morning. These people heard about my teepee/igloo. Go look it up if you haven't seen it.
I just think I just do.
Ice is just coming off the lake here. Gonna get a lot worse as we go north. It's gonna be a shame.
Yes, honey.
Hero shots, honey. Breakfast you on the road. If this video gets, let's say, 1,000 likes, I too will eat breakfast on the road. So y'all can see some distracted driving at its finest. Take the camera off its tripod. Think I'll do it? 1,000 likes. It's not my wife. We got a full bus load with us now. You guys seen the Ford went to paddle only power. So here we are. We're all loaded up, one big happy family headed north. Bring you back when something interesting happens or Tyann has a fit, whichever comes first.
Oh no, I'm not one block. Let me go home.
Well, y'all, look at our adventure. Look what it turned into. The truck broke down last night. We've got like 6 inches of snow on the ground. The plow truck went by this morning, so we're gonna probably warm up here a little bit and get the snow off the roof and the mirrors. And here's my girly dog. Then we'll see how we can make on our merry way. Check this out. It's over my ankles. Here's what the boat looks like. Sleep charter bus adventures. I hope you guys enjoyed your ride. Hopefully it's not in the snow. Hopefully it's not in the snow.